Have you ever paused and wondered why we age and how it affects our body? It's a question that has intrigued humanity since the dawn of time. The concept of aging is as old as life itself, and yet it remains one of the most profound enigmas. We see the signs of aging in the mirror every day, in the lines etching deeper into our skin, in the silver strands threading through our hair. It's a universal process, inevitable and unyielding. Yet despite its ubiquity, it's a phenomenon that continues to mystify us, to spark our curiosity and to fuel our desire for knowledge. So what exactly is aging? It's a complex process characterized by the gradual deterioration of the body's biological functions over time. It's the ticking of a biological clock that we can't halt or rewind. It's the steady march of time that leaves its mark on every cell in our body. But why do we age? That's a question that has prompted countless scientific investigations. Theories abound, from the wear and tear of cells to the accumulation of damage from environmental factors. Yet the exact mechanisms of aging remain elusive, shrouded in a veil of scientific uncertainty. This is where we come in. In this video, we will embark on a journey to unravel the mystery of aging. We will delve into the depths of our biology, exploring the intricate processes that govern our body's slow dance with time. We'll examine the role of genetics, the impact of environmental and lifestyle factors, and the exciting possibilities for the future of aging. Our goal is to shed light on this complex phenomenon, to provide insights gleaned from cutting-edge research, and to present the science of aging in a way that is accessible, engaging, and enlightening. Because understanding the process of aging is not just about satisfying our intellectual curiosity, it's about gaining insights that could potentially enhance our quality of life as we navigate the later years of our existence. So, without any further ado, let's dive into the fascinating world of aging. Aging, as you might have guessed, isn't just about the passing of time. It's a complex biological process, and a significant part of it hinges on our very own cells. Yes, our cells have something akin to a biological clock ticking away inside them. This clock, in essence, determines their lifespan, and by extension, our aging process. To understand this, let's dive a little deeper into our cells. At the very tips of our chromosomes, you'll find tiny protective caps called telomeres. Picture them like the plastic tips on your shoelaces, preventing them from fraying. That's exactly what telomeres do. They protect our genetic data, making it possible for cells to divide properly. However, each time a cell divides, its telomeres get a bit shorter. When they get too short, the cell can't divide anymore. It becomes inactive or senescent, or it may even die. This is known as cellular senescence, and it's a key player in the aging process. Now, you might be wondering, why don't cells just keep dividing indefinitely then? Well, unlimited cell division is a characteristic of cancer cells, and we definitely don't want that. So cellular senescence is a necessary evil. It's a way for our bodies to prevent the uncontrolled cell growth that leads to cancer. But here's the catch. While cellular senescence helps prevent cancer, senescent cells also contribute to aging. They release chemicals that can damage nearby cells and cause inflammation, a common culprit in many age-related diseases. So in a way, our bodies are in a constant balancing act, trying to prevent both cancer and aging. It's a biological tug-of-war. With our cells on the front lines, their telomeres ticking away, marking the passing of time on a microscopic level. Our cells, with their intricate biological clocks, are thus the unsung heroes in this epic tale of aging. They battle, they age, and they die so that we may live. So as our cells age, so do we. But is time the only factor that affects how and when we age? Well, not quite. Today we're going to delve into the fascinating realm of genetics and their role in the aging process. You see, our genes, those tiny bits of DNA that make us who we are, have a lot to say about how we age. They're like the directors of a play, guiding the actors, which in this case are our cells, on how to perform. And just as every director has a unique style, every individual's genetic makeup is different, leading to variations in how we age. There are certain genes known as longevity genes that can influence the aging process. Scientists have discovered that these genes can affect the lifespan and health span of different organisms, from tiny roundworms to humans. These genes are involved in a variety of processes in our bodies, including repairing DNA damage, reducing inflammation, and improving metabolic health. When these genes are functioning optimally, they can help delay the onset of age-related diseases, potentially extending our years of healthy living. But here's the interesting part. Not everyone has the same versions of these longevity genes. There are variations, or what scientists call genetic polymorphisms, that can lead to differences in lifespan and health span among different individuals. This is why some people seem to age slower than others, or why some people live to be 100 without any major health problems. However, it's important to remember that genetics is only one piece of the aging puzzle. While our genes can influence how we age, they don't write our destiny. Other factors like lifestyle and environment can also play a significant role. So let's wrap it up. The aging process is a complex interplay of time, genetics, and other factors. Our genes can influence how and when we age, but they don't have the final say. It's like a dance where our genes lead the steps, but we also have a say in how we move. So, our genes play a significant role in how we age, but remember, they're not the only ones calling the shots. But it's not all in our DNA. While genetics undoubtedly play a significant role in aging, it would be misleading to suggest that they are the only factor at play. In fact, environmental and lifestyle factors also have a profound influence on the aging process. Consider, for instance, diet. A balanced, nutritious diet can do wonders for our health and longevity. Consuming plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help maintain a healthy weight and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. On the flip side, a diet high in saturated fats, sugars, and processed foods can accelerate the aging process, leading to conditions like obesity, inflammation, and oxidative stress. Exercise, too, is a key player in aging. Regular physical activity is associated with a slew of health benefits, including improved cardiovascular health, better mental well-being, increased bone density, and enhanced immune function. Not to mention, exercise can help slow down the aging process at the cellular level by promoting the production of certain proteins that protect against DNA damage. Stress is another factor that can influence aging. Chronic stress can trigger a cascade of hormonal changes that can expedite cellular aging. It can also contribute to sleep disturbances, mental health issues, and a weakened immune system, all of which can age us prematurely. Lastly, exposure to toxins, such as air pollution, cigarette smoke, and certain chemicals, can also speed up the aging process. These toxins can cause oxidative damage to cells and tissues, leading to premature aging and a higher risk of age-related diseases. So, while our genes may lay the groundwork for how we age, our environmental and lifestyle factors can significantly alter that blueprint. By eating well, staying active, managing stress, and avoiding toxins, we can help slow down the aging process and improve our overall health and longevity. Thus, our lifestyle choices and environment significantly affect how we age. So, what does the future hold for aging? As we venture into the future, the field of aging research is burgeoning with possibilities. Scientists around the world are tirelessly working on unraveling the mysteries of aging, and their findings could revolutionize the way we age. One of the most promising areas of research is in the field of cellular senescence. This is the process where cells lose their ability to divide and function properly, which is a key factor in aging. Researchers are investigating interventions that could slow down or even reverse this process. Imagine a world where we could turn back the cellular clock and rejuvenate our bodies. Simultaneously, the role of genetics in aging is becoming clearer by the day. We're learning more about the genes that influence longevity and how they interact with each other and our environment. This knowledge could lead to personalized interventions that optimize our genetic potential for a long and healthy life. Another exciting frontier is the study of the microbiome, the community of microorganisms that live in our bodies. There's growing evidence that our microbiome changes as we age, and these changes could be linked to diseases of aging. Understanding this could open up new ways to promote health and longevity through the modulation of our microbiome. Furthermore, researchers are looking at the role of lifestyle factors in aging. We're learning more about how diet, exercise, sleep, and stress management can influence our biological age, not just our chronological age. This research is empowering us to take control of our aging process through the choices we make every day. In the end, the goal of aging research is not to make us live forever, but to help us age better. It's about extending our health span, the period of our lives when we're healthy and active, not just our lifespan. Therefore, understanding the science of aging is not just about learning why we age, but also about exploring how we can age better. The future of aging is full of potential, and it's an exciting time to be alive.